Bakit gusto natin ng nutrient-dense na pagkain? So, nutrient density is simply a definition we give sa mga pagkain that has vitamins, yung mga minerals. Meron siyang macronutrients din. So, merong micro and macro. Macronutrients, yan yung ating carbohydrates, yung ating proteins, yung ating fats. Micro, yun yung ating mga vitamins and minerals. So, pag sinabing nutrient-dense ang isang pagkain, it will have combination ng mga yun. Bakit ito mahalaga? Because people are no longer hungry, hindi masyado nang nagugutom ang mga tao, and many people start to eat OMAD, 1 meal a day, o kaya TMAD, 2 meals a day. So, anong nangyayari dyan, when they don't eat that often, tapos hindi naman nutrient dense ang mga kinakain na pagkain, people are prone to losing so much weight. Kaya nga, sa lifestyle natin, sinasabi natin to sustain itong lifestyle na ito, napakahalaga na alam natin na muscle building should become part of the lifestyle at some point. Kung hindi man kayang gawin agad-agad, then when you reach your ideal weight or yung inyong ideal disease state, then pwede na kayong mag-start ng muscle building. Kung kaya naman, then gawin natin siya kahit sa simula pa lang.